Welcome to MathGip. This video I am going to solve two Surd expression. Please note that last video I already solved 1 and 2 Surd expression. This video I am trying to solve 3 and 4 under root 25 minus root 24. So we know 25 is a perfect square, so we can write 5 minus these 24. We have to find out if have any perfect square has or not. 24 we can write 1 times 24, 2 times 12, then 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Look, 4 is a perfect square, so we can write 4 times 6 root and over root. Now look, 5 minus root 4 means 2, so here is root 6 and then square root. Now here is 5 and here is a root 6, so minus 2 root 6 is a AB. What does mean? Look, A minus B whole square is a square minus 2AB plus B square. Now this is root 6, so we can do minus 2 times root 3 and times root 2. It's a similar of root 6. Now look, we can write root 3 square and here is plus root 2 square. So here is root 3 square means 3 minus 2 times root 3 times root 2 is a root 6, so root 3 root 2 and plus 2. It's an important thing, this 3 plus 2 is a 5. So now we can simplify like this: 3 minus 2 root 6 plus 2. Okay, then root 3 square minus 2 times root 3 times root 2 plus root 2 square. Okay, so it's looking a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So root 3 square is a square, so this one we can write a root 3 minus root 2 whole square root. So this root and this square out, our answer will be root 3 minus root 2. Very simple. Done. So number 3 done. Now we will start number 4. Number 4, here is a root 121 minus root 120 over root. So this one also simple thing. 121 is a 11. Root 121 is a 11 minus this 120 root 120. We need to simplify. How? Let's check. Have we get any perfect square or not? 120 we can write 1 times 120, then 2 times 60, then 3 times 40, then 4 times 30. So look, 4 is a perfect square, so we can write 4 times 30 and here is root and square root. So here is 11 minus root 4 means 2 and here is root 30 over root, and this one we can make, this is 11 but here is a root 30. Root 30 we can write root 5 times root 6. Okay, so another thing, look, root 6 square minus 2 root 6 times root 5 plus root 5 square. So root 6 square means what? 6, and root 5 square means 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So we can write root 6 square minus, and another thing, this is 2, root 6 and root 5 will be root 30. So finally we can write root 6 minus root 5 whole square. It's a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means a minus b whole square. So finally this root and square out, our answer will be root 6 minus root 5. Very simple. So this Surds expression is very important. Don't neglect this one. I am trying to solve these 4 Surds expression by 2 videos. Everything will be in the description links. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you, and this kinds of math is important for IGCSE, SAT, Math Olympiad and any kinds of competitive examination. Thank you very much for being with me.